Hi, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to do things a little differently. I've got a helper. You're not going to see him, but I've got my grandson Grant helping me. He's holding the camera right now and helping out. When he gets older, he might be on the channel, but for now, we need to keep him anonymous. So anyway, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be putting together, I call it the headlight support for the Corvette. When you open the headlights, it's the main framework that everything rides on. And what's happened in my car, which I'll show you later on in the clip, is accident damage, I think, has broken it. So I've ordered a new one, and I got it from Zip Corvettes, Zip Corvette Parts. And they're not a sponsor, but Zip, if you want to step up and do it, I'm all for it. So anyway, I've already, full disclosure, I did open this, but I went ahead and put it all back because I wanted to show you guys just how well they did. And if you could put it down on the part. Good job. All right, we started off paper. I don't know if you guys are into it, but I have a smoker, so I use that for starting the coals. But the most important part, invoice, is they bubble wrap this thing, and they did a great job. And I wanted to show that. And I'll give you a quick view of the part itself, because I haven't really seen it, because the bubble wrap's been kind of in the way. Good thing I had a knife ready. I had bubble wrap explained to me one time as a video game for rednecks. Comment below. Alright, here is the frame, and it'll make a lot more sense when you see the other one. But if I remember correctly, either this side or this side is broken on mine, and I'll show that. But I don't know if this is paint or powder coat. It looks really good. Nice welds. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up. Okay. All right. This is interesting. One side is welded, one side isn't. I wonder if it broke, which could have happened. No judgment. Wonder if it broke and they did that to repair so that you can still use it. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, it's fine. But, just something to note. I wonder if someone else buys one, if they could tell me, was theirs welded? Let me know. All right, back up to my face here. Whatever. All right, so now we're going to head back out to the garage, and I think I'm going to have Grant and his brother Benjamin helping, and that's going to be it for now. Okay, now we're out in the garage, and I'm using the front half of Dylan's truck as a workbench. And if you remember before, this is the part that we took out of the box, and here is the old assembly. And like I had said before, there was accident damage. And Grant, can you tell me if the camera is picking up?
Camera is picking up.
Okay, so it shows where it's broken. Okay, so hopefully the camera's picking up. Grant tells me it is. This is where it was broken. And that's the whole reason for us replacing this part. Now, at the time of this editing, at the time of this filming, this part was $362 to my door. And I don't know if when you're going to be watching this, hopefully the price is about the same. Seriously doubt it'll get lower. So what we're going to do is unbolt the old, put it on the new, and with that we're going to start taking stuff apart. Now, one of the things I did is I took pictures with my same camera that we're filming with, and that'll help me get it back together if I forget, because as you guys know, sometimes that happens. But we'll try not to lose any parts in the process. I don't know if you could see before, this headlight assembly is just horribly dirty, and I'm not going to do anything about it right now. Who knows, with putting the new part on might give me the putting this new part on might inspire me to clean up the rest, but right now we're just going to worry about switching over. And yeah, some of that will probably be edited out because people don't really care.
What?
Well, they don't really care about how dirty the part is or how long it takes. Just make sure you don't hit the camera stand, okay? That'll really help.
I can see you, and none of your head is cut off.
Good. Think about when you're filming, because you want to see what's going on, but you also want to make sure the people that are watching know what's going on. Which is why I'm in this uncomfortable position while I'm working on it, so people can see what's going on. All right. Looks like there's a bushing here, and seems to be in decent shape, but needs to be lubed up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some grease in it while I have it apart. I know she just wants to be out here, but it's not going to happen.
What are you doing?
The noise you hear in the background is my grandsons enjoying themselves in the Corvette. Which right now, since it's garage art, that's fine.
I'm in the Corvette.
While I've got it apart, I'm going to go ahead and lube up that bushing that I was talking about before. Just breaking stuff kind of distracted me. This braking kind of threw me off my game, but we'll power through. Making sure this is going in correctly. Since before, since it was broken, everything came apart very easily. Did you know, Grant, did you know that that's showing up on the video?
Oh, it is?
Yes, you singing that? Yes. We might have to edit that out.
Okay.
Anyway, it's going back okay.
Give it
It came apart a lot easier because pieces were broken. So I'm just making sure I'm not going to break anything again. And if you hear whining in the background, that's the new shop dog who I can't trust to be outside. We don't need to give names. But no, Benjamin, please stop.
It's happening on the video. I didn't know.
So we'll put a test bolt in on this side. Hold it. Nope, I got it. And you're probably thinking, why don't we just go into the workbench? Well, the workbench still has a crankshaft on it, and I was hoping to get a little more natural light on here. So that's why.
You got a mallet?
Yep,
Mallet time.
that worked. Just gotta be persuasive. And these are slotted, so they will need to adjust.
Open the car.
I'll just put them right in the middle for now, though.
Hi.
Okay, like most projects that didn't turn out the way I planned, and I'm going to have to either order a pod or I'm going to switch over to electrical, and I haven't decided quite yet which one yet. I need to sleep on it because quite frankly I'm a little mad at whoever designed that, because it's just 3 tiny spot welds, and I know it lasted for 53 years until I came along and had to try to unfasten it, but I just think there's a better way. So anyway, we're going to call this good for now, and like I thought, once I got the new part on, I have a huge desire to take it apart and clean up and detail everything else, which I'll probably do in another video. But for now, we're going to sign off. The piece, very good quality, and I'm very happy I did it, and I'm very happy they still have it available, because getting somebody to weld pot metal, which is what that is, wouldn't have worked very well. If you can do it, more power to you. Anyway, we're going to sign off, and if you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe, share any way you can. Drums, telegraph, smoke signals, even text. Anyway, thank you for watching.